Hey everyone, Matt from Panda Garage here today. Bit of a quiet day here in the garage. I have rolled out Maryland, which is pretty cool. I'm going to finish off doing some polishing on the back end of this beautiful car now. The paint's come up fantastic, so I can't wait to get this cleaned and washed up. It's going to look so good. But first, before I start doing any of that, I want to actually clean this garage because I haven't moved this car for a fair few weeks now, and it needs to have a bit of a sweep out. So I'm going to give a bit of a tidy up, and then we'll get stuck into polishing. Okay, so I literally feel a bit better about that. It looks a bit better. I mean, still a bit dicey, but there are so many lines up and down the ground and sort of surrounding the back of where the Monaro has been, because it's just a strip of like fine red mist from the polishing wheels. So that's pretty cool. But we'll turn around now. We're going to get stuck into actually polishing this car. Okay, so this is essentially the last panel now, part of the roof as well. But this is the last sort of main panel that needs to be done from about here back. And you can sort of tell actually, there's like a line here. And it's like you can sort of see the oxidization. I might show you guys actually. Because if you look at it, it might be better because it's in natural light now. But you can sort of see the line from here. There, sort of got that haze to it, like a sort of like a white haze. You can tell this side's super shiny, this side's a bit hazy. It's sort of the first I can show. Because of being inside the garage, it sort of hasn't helped, but yeah, that's the difference between the two. So not polished and polished. Alright, we'll get stuck into this. And there's a spider on my camera, which is awesome. Really good right now. You can actually really see the difference right here is crazy. I think what I'm going to do now is actually have the camera like right on this so you guys can actually see it changing in real time. So I feel like on the angle you're just not getting the same feature. So we'll get to that now. I actually feel like I'm getting better at this whole polishing game. It's been so great to learn with this thing, and I feel like this whole process of polishing this whole car, I've actually really learnt quite a lot about it, and I feel like I'm starting to get it down to a sort of a finer art, not changing so early from the pads, just doing all the cutting in one hit with this and not a gradual thing. I feel like this does a lot of the work, and then the others sort of bring the process up a little bit more, and using the cut and polish with just this. So this panel sort of really inspired me to get this right, and I feel like I am. And it's just a learning thing. I love just sitting here. Basically, if you guys weren't here watching, I'd be doing this anyway. Like, I'd be still trying to work this out and just learning in my garage. And I bring along you for the ride because I feel like it's something that everyone sort of deals with at some point. So we'll continue on. I just need to add a bit more polish to this, and it's coming up really nice, so pretty happy. That's it for today. Starting to get a bit dark out here. After I turned the camera off, I finished off the roof, got it polished really nice. It's looking great. Finished off the rest of the panel as well. All we need to do now, I think, is the side skirts. This is only one's done only halfway, and the other side hasn't been done at all. And then that's it. Pretty much, we are ready to completely get the car nice and scrubbed up and get rid of any last sort of residue. with buffing. So next time we are going to be doing some more work to the Monaro. I'm really excited. I've got some parts ordered. We're also going to work on this. It's starting to lift up. It was a common issue with the earlier Monaros, so I'm going to fix that, and then we're going to work on the air conditioning fan, which is something I want to get done soon because I really want to drive this car, but it's been a bit too warm to drive it without having all the windows down. So that's it for today. Thank you all so much for watching. Remember to check us out on Instagram, Facebook, the Panda Garage. Chuck your write up on the Facebook page. I want to see what everyone's got. And if you've got any suggestions or anything you'd like to see, chuck it up on there as well, or leave it in the comments below. So until next time, guys, my name's Matt. This is Panda Garage. I'll see you guys next time.